This is Leslie this morning. This is Invest 94L this morning. This is Tropical Storm Leslie this morning too. Cyclone Milton this morning. More Milton pictures. This is a random storm. This is also a random storm I saw. This is Kirk. This is more information about Hurricane Leslie, about its history in 2018. Is something that I predict and what I will be reading soon. Predictions are that Milton is weakening. It can also collide into Leslie with Milton is a bit smaller and behind. Storm, hurricane, etc. I'm not going to explain anymore, it's too fast for me to read.